All right, everyone, this is a first time camping, and I brought a plane. So we're gonna fly the T-720 here at the campground. I've had a lot of people ask me, what's a good beginner airplane for somebody who has like no experience? And this thing here is pretty good, man. This thing is durable, flies well, easy to fly. It's everything you need. You got a little transmitter, little batteries, charger and all that. And like this is perfect. I really didn't want to bring any of my other airplanes that have like landing gear and stuff. And this thing is durable. It's designed so when you hit, the little brackets in here will snap and pop off and stuff like that. So, and I actually had this bracket in the wing fail on one of my flights. That thing was probably 50-60 feet up, and all of a sudden, pooh, there it went to the ground. So look at that. I think this is gonna be pretty good. Oh yeah, got plenty of room to fly right here. Ah, look at this. The nice thing is there's no landing gear to break. This thing's easy to land. So, check it out. Whoa. It is very nose heavy for summer. I just set the trim on this thing and it's still wanting to nose down for some reason if I let go of it. Whoa. Something's wrong with this plane, man. So this thing has like a safe mode, so you really can't get yourself in too much trouble. I mean, it's not like you can't just not fly into that building right there and crash it or smack it into something. I mean, you still have to fly it, but my problem is, like, for some reason it's just wanting to nosedive right now. Like if I let go, look. Oh, wrong way, wrong way. Like that. Bet that elevator was loose. That's what I'm guessing. That's what, because it looked like, I think it came apart before it hit the ground. I'm thinking I probably bumped it somewhere. I probably should have checked all this before I. This is why I say it's a good beginner plane. See, this bracket here broke on one of them. So these are new wings. Oh. No, it's still friggin'. Uh-oh. Oh man. Well, the wife helped me find that piece. We lost it, but we got it back together. I don't even know what you guys saw because I just realized that the GoPro again was aimed downward. But we're gonna give this, whoa, one more flight. Dang it. There's no throttle cut on this plane. This might just be a little bit too tight of a space, but it shouldn't be, but I don't know. We're just gonna do a couple loops and then land it. I just want to make sure that it's flying. You know, so I did this whole video on adjusting that elevator, doing the trim, and it's just wanting to nose down. I don't get it, so that's what's making it hard to fly. And then when I give it rudder, I inadvertently like cut the throttle and it just, I don't know. Well, whoa, see? That's what's making it so hard to fly. It's wanting to, I can't fly it slow like it normally can. Oh crap. Oh, that little bird ain't liking my plane. Look, they're attacking it. They're attacking my plane. Well, this is why I say it's a good beginner plane, because look, we just crashed the crap out of it and it's still flying. It's not helping that I gotta lay on the elevator to fly it. Right there, I'm full elevator. I mean, look. So it makes it hard to give it aileron. All right, I think we're just gonna go ahead and land it because this thing's just too hard to fly. Sweet. All right, it's just too hard to fly. I'm like full elevator for some reason, trying to keep this thing up. I don't know why. Like I said, that's what's getting me in trouble. I go into a turn, I'm losing it, and well, at least it didn't end up in the lake. I really thought it was gonna end up there in the lake, but still a good plane. I'll figure out why is this got so much elevator that it, why is this thing wanting to nose down so bad? I don't know. Well, we'll check it out and we'll report back. But man, first time flying while camping. This place looked a little bit bigger. Now I kind of wish I would have brought my the turbo timber, because it has flaps. I could easily drop one level of flaps and just cruised around here. That thing, like a stall plane, STOL, short takeoff landing. It would have done really good out here. But I figured with the grass, I wanted to do this. Like I said, I wasn't expecting this one to fly so bad, but check it out, man. We got water, we got a boat, we got cars. We're going to be doing a lot out here camping. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. We'll see you on the next one.